Young funeral director missing in St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 20-year-old Tyree Simit, a funeral director of Plumbago Park, Mona Heights in St. Andrew, has been missing since Thursday, November the 3rd. He's of dark complexion, medium built, and about 165 centimeters. Reports from the Halfway Tree Police are that Simit was last seen at around 3 p.m. at his workplace. All subsequent attempts to contact him have been unsuccessful. Anyone with information that can assist the police to locate Tyree Simit is being asked to contact the Halfway Tree Police at 876-926-8185, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.